Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a desktop look cool in 5 minutes. I'll show you guys how to do it. First you just need to clean our desktop. To do this, right click on it and select a view and uncheck this show desktop icons. And now right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. And you just need to search, you just need to click on this drop down and set icon only and turn off under listed over here task view widgets like that. And now you just need to expand this taskbar behavior and taskbar alignment, set this to center and just to close stuff here. Now check my video description for this download link. You just need to download these four files. Just click on it and select download. Click on the three dot icon and select download for these four of these. And after getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon and three files were downloaded. One is missing, rain meter. Click on three dot and select download. After getting download done, the four of these rain meter includes. Now you just need to extract these both files we downloaded, guys. Select extract all and select extract. And same thing for this violet theme. Now you just need to install this rounded TB. Double click on the rounded TB. Click on this application and install it. Select OK. And now it has been installed. In here, you just need to select the advanced option and under margin, select the three dot icon. In top margin, you just need to type 5. In bottom margin, type 5. In left margin, you just need to type minus 100. Same thing for right margin. And now check mark this dynamic mode. Uncheck this show system tray and check mark show system tray on hover. Transcend TB compatibility. Fill taskbar when minimized. And after that, click on apply for save changes and just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to downloads and go to violet theme and double click on the violet theme. Go to wallpapers and one is live wallpaper, one is normal. Now you just need to go to search menu and type a store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. Search lively wallpaper and you will get a lively wallpaper with a 4.1 rating. Click on install option and install it. After installing it, open the lively wallpaper. Drag and drop this velvet live wallpaper to this lively wallpaper and now click on OK and it's gonna be added. After getting added, just minimize this. Now go back to velvet themes, double click on the fonts and double click on the Japanese and select the install option and install it. After getting installed and just to close stuff here, now go back to downloads and double click on the rain meter and install it. Select the finish option and now just right click on it and select unload for these items shown here. Now go to velvet theme again, double click on the rain meter, copy these three files and go to documents, double click on the rain meter, double click on the skins, paste in here. After pasting it, click on this system tray and click on right click on the rain meter and select manage. Select refresh all and expand the clock. Click on the ini file and select load and now minimize the Chrome. Click on the expand the power buttons and select ini file and select load. Do the same thing for SYN stage visualizer. Click on it and load. Now you just need to go back to File Explorer and go to Downloads. Double click on the velvet theme, and double click on this Mountain Terry and select the install option. After getting installed done, select the widget and just need to turn on this music. Say continue, go to appearance, widget size, set this to 60 and press enter. And now just click on this orange icon and close it. And music, click on this, drag this to here and just do the stuff here, power option, drag it to here on the right side like this. Now the final thing we need to install is go to File Explorer, go to Downloads, and install this Transclone TB and select the install option. After getting installed done, select the continue option. And now the process has been finished, guys. This is the final look, and that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.